Yo, wagwan! Well, I dealing there with the genocide boss, Masicka himself. Team up again with Genius. You know, so anytime Genius drop a project, a bama. Yeah. With Slip and Slide. Let's jump in the one and see wagwan. Let's go. This is the original. What a Ilangoli rider, Ilangoli. What a Ilangoli rider. Alright. Production team, big up.
So she slip so she slide. I make her push it inside.
Hold on now. Before this start, me already know say Masicka flow change. So anyone know pussy out there, so we are gonna say around at the same flow the G have on a blood clot bad minds for you. Again, Masicka.
A girl can ride oh. Hey, what a girl can ride. So she slip so she slide on.
Talk no man, on a blood clot talk. On the talk now. On the talk. Talk no man. Talk. Yo, the video of a real old school setting. See right there, so we have see CD, we have see everything from the old school, from what was once a thing. Now it's not anymore, unfortunately. Let's go.
So she slip so she slide oh. I make her push it inside oh. Hey, what
even to the way all the girls them dress, you can see.
a girl can ride oh. Hey, what a girl can ride. So she slip so she slide on.
It's a hit song. Hit song. Hit song. 20 seconds in that song. Hit song. Hit song, me know.
Push it inside yo. One no wicked rider. One no wicked rider. So she
Masicka, keep on shaming the pussy them. Keep on shaming the pussy them. When the air drop bossy and the whole place I say bossy. No, I slip and slide.
slip so she slide on. I make me push it inside yo. One no wicked rider. One no wicked rider.
Even to the way all the G dress in the thing, you can see there's an old school style, it's an old school team. Steven not genius. Steven, you're genius.
Money nothing on me, girl, me a provider. Buy your the land, buy the designer. Your waist just a tick like a timer.
So me not just buy the land for her, me a buy the designer too. The land is an asset. The designer is a what? Liability, that's it, cause it just enhances our beauty. So Masicka tell us say yo, him a treat the girl them good. Yeah, get up with them want. Nothing wrong with that.
Brace pan the stick, watch your style, yeah. A regular me tell you say you go online, yo. And when you then you bring it come me phone line, yo.
A regular me tell you say I go line, yo. A regular. Look at the female them, all them dress. Beautiful black queens. Look at them. Look at them. Melanin. Yeah.
Girl, you blessed with the good, I know. When you cock it up high, then you wind low. So she slip so she slide on.
Look, clat. Masicka have the summer song already. See it ya. Masicka, I'm calling it now. Masicka have the summer song. See it ya.
I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on. So she slip so she slide on.
Remember saying no. Steven don't have genius pan him name for no reason. Steven have genius pan him name for a fucking reason, bro.
I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on. She's
So what I want to say? At the same flow this Masicka, you know? Answer me in the comment section. The non-genocide fans, them want answer me. At the same flow this Masicka, you know? At the same key, you know? What go on? Tell me now. Because we see both different. We see this different too. So what I go say now?
It out and she tick and she talk. You have the grip, girl, me call you back. Shift your jaws and sit on my cock.
You have the grip, girl, me call you back. Shift your jaws and sit on me. Me have to call you back. It can't be a one-time thing. It can never be a one-time thing. Mama, you're worth more than that. You're worth more than that.
Yeah, my God, till your ball fi stop. Girl, you wet up the place, beg you pass the map.
Me go hard till your ball fi stop. Girl, you wet up the place. Pass the map. Hana water you dash way. Hana your cup of water you dash way. When you dip on the bedside table. Hana that you dash way. I squirt. Hey! Rock a put in, man.
Take your space now, no girl can't do that. When you catch on, you rock on the top on the drop. Good old.
Bumbo clot. Take us, listen about it again.
Guess face no girl can't do that. When you catch on, you rap on the top on the drop. Good old. Long time you hot and no flop. Alright.
Bumbo clot. Jesus makes this nice. This makes nice. And Masicka dep on the rhythm. Dep on the rhythm like bump and skin, man.
And so she slip and so she slide on. And make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on.
Masicka, kill them with hit song, brother. Continue to kill them with hit song, bro. Kill them with fucking hit song, bro. Me glad to be mutual in this, dog. Because me can't say anything over your saying, bro. Masicka, kill them with blood clot hit song, me G. Nobody listen to them talking. Kill them with hit song, bro. Kill them with blood clot hit song, bro.
And so she slip and so she slide on. And make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on.
Down to the tile pan the veranda.
And make me push it inside, yo. What a girl.
Down to the tile pan the veranda give one old school feel. This is an old school kind of house the man them find and shoot a video in it. Me like it. Me blood clot like it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, dog.
Can ride on. What a girl can ride on. And so she slip and so she slide on. And make me push it inside, yo.
Wagwan back I sheet. Wagwan back I sheet. Huh?
What a girl can ride on.
You see, what you see wagwan so? Drillings are going so.
And make me push it inside, yo.
Watch it. Drillings are going so.
What a girl can ride
Yeah.
on. What a girl can ride on.
Yo, the boss lucky me and see so. And when you look at the fireworks, they you know what that mean?
Come in a Farid.
Why you do it, John Crow?
At this point, Masicka have fun with the music. Masicka have fun with the music, bro. She ain't creative, big up yourself. Yes. Image, big up yourself. She and Top G, big up yourself. Yes. Kwan, big up yourself. Rose, big up yourself. Zayad, big up yourself. Yo, big up the whole production team. Genius, big up yourself, me G. Naka, are you edit it? Big up yourself, big up yourself. Yeah, bad song. Hit song. Hit blood clot song from the get-go. Yeah, I'm calling it. Hit song. Hit song. Masicka, use blood clot them song and shame the pussy them. So all of the pussy them on that tag say, I want from Masicka living now. I want to feel now. I want to feel. Eh? Big earth or little earth? Eh? The boss give me flow on top of flow on top of flow. Eh? What else am I going to say now? What else? What else? What else? All right. Down in the comment section, I'm wait to see what I say down there. Let me know what I think about it down in the comment section, and I'll be down there waiting for sure. I'm gone.